out?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go check it out. Yeah, so I don't think we're gonna end up.
Diamond.
No. Make your guess.
Jewel. Was it?
Are you kidding me?
Was it? I am the Pictionary queen.
Alright guys, I know we didn't have the vlog that I told you about yesterday, but hopefully you enjoyed this for a filler for today. Put in the comment section what you think about this, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later.